again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing fine and well, having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So I've got Varnails November box. I had to think what month we're on there. So I will tell you from the get-go, I'm not going to have time to do any nails today, but we all know how quick these boxes sell out. So I thought I'll just unbox it and show you all what's in it. So a quick sneak peek and then we'll slide it off. So I'm going to start with stickers. So it looks like now we've got Halloween out of the way, we're kind of back onto autumn fall kind of theme maybe. So let me just bring you in a little bit more. So we've got some, what do you call these? Argyle. Is it Argyle? Oh, I'm not sure. Got these kind of stickers. I think everyone's been gunning for Halloween, and now we're in that funny period, aren't we, where we don't want to quite be doing Christmas stuff yet. So we're kind of back to autumn fall. So we've got some autumn fall kind of stickers. These are cute. These can go on a lot of different designs. We've got little rhinestones in some of these as well. I like them. Can never go wrong with a 4-pointed star. Right, and these are stencils. So these are like leopard print stencils. I have actually just ordered myself some nail art airbrush paint because I want to get this airbrush gun out that I got probably 2 years ago. And that's what these are for. Well, you could use these with a sponge, I suppose, or an airbrush, but yeah, I haven't got any leopard print ones, so I'll have to add them to my stencil collection. Right, what else have we got? What's this? Why such a big ring for a tiny amount of tape? I don't understand that. So this is like, it's just like a little masking tape, isn't it? For doing colour blocking and things, I would imagine. Gosh, that's a huge ring though for a little bit of tape. Yeah, I think that's just for colour blocking and, you know, that type thing. Right, so what have we got here? So, right, let me tip these out. So these are kind of autumn colours as well, aren't they? I'm not actually mad at these because I haven't got any charms this colour. Right, so it's a bit of a mixed bag. We've got little teddy bears, we've got bows, flowers, hearts, we've got like brown, beige, cream. Oh, we've got like little bear heads and crowns and angel wings. Yeah, a bit of a mixed bag. I mean, I don't like browns and stuff, but I haven't got any this kind of colour, so yeah, I'm not mad at them. I like these little bears, they're cute. And the little balls as well. I like these little crowns as well. These little crowns, they've got a teeny tiny little flower on. Yeah, I'm not mad at them. Then we have got these. Oh, these are cute. Right, so these are little love hearts, and they've kind of got a bit of a checkerboard, I want to say. Like black and white squares on them. Can you see? Very small. I like them. Right, then what else have we got? Right, let me tip these out as well. These are cute. Right, so this has got some teddy bears in there. We've got some kind of love hearts. And then we've got these stars, and these remind me of the kind of Louis Vuitton logos kind of thing. These, I like these love hearts, teeny tiny little metal love hearts. They're quite cute. I like them. I'm sorry, I apologise as well if you can hear fireworks in the background. Obviously it's bonfire night weekend in the UK. It's Saturday night, so yeah, we've got all the fireworks going off They're quite cute. I like them. But yeah, these are definitely giving me the Louis Vuitton vibes. These little stars and stuff. Right, what have we got here? Well, these are quite cute. I've got hundreds of glitters, but I don't think I've got any like this. These are different. So they're like a matte white, ultra fine matte white. But that's got a pink and a purple in with it. And this has got like a blue and a purple. Yeah, I've not seen glitters like that before. So it's like a really fine matte white, and that's got purple and blue. And then this one, same base colour to it, that matte white. But then this has got pink and purple in with it. They're unique. I've not seen glitters like that before. Quite like them. Right, then we have got... Oh, right, so these look like flocking powders. If anybody that doesn't know what flocking powders are, they're kind of just fluff, aren't they? I don't know if that's supposed to be black and white or it's black and grey. Black and white or grey and white. It looks more of a grey to me. So it's just fluff. Literally just fluff. You can use it to emboss things like you would do with a clear acrylic. I don't think I've actually seen anybody using it. I've seen pictures where you can see somebody's used it, but I don't think I've actually seen a video of anybody using it. Yeah, it's just fluff. They'd be cool for Easter if you wanted to do little bunny rabbit paws. Or I suppose you could use the white one as snow for Christmas. Right, we have got another one of these brushes. I love this collection. They have got a collection, I think it might be 6 in this collection, and they're all this kind of frosted glass with the ombre. So this one's purple, and it's got the little purple brush as well, and then we've got this kind of matte purple lid, and then on top, can you see it's got the little, tells you what brush it is. Yeah, I've got one of the other ones here. So this is kind of a gel brush, this one. Oh, it says there round brush, and this one says petal brush. And there's, I think they've got a yellow one, a blue one, a green one. They're a set of 6. Beautiful, beautiful brushes. Really nice brushes. I like them. Right, looks like we've got a ring. Let's have a look. So it looks like it's just a cross. It's resizable as well. And it's got teeny tiny little diamantes on it. Don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Teeny tiny little diamantes. Okay, I like that. Oh, we're missing some little charmy things. Let's have a look. Oh, I thought they were butterflies. Right, so these are balls. We've got some black and some kind of creamy white coloured ones. So these are metal. When they've got like little polka dots on them, so that's the white one, creamy kind of white one, and then that's the black one. Not seen them before either. Right, we've also got some foils. I'm not going to take these out of the pack because you can see exactly what they are. Gosh, they're all super holographic, aren't they? I like these laser ones. These are so cool. Got the silver laser there, and then this gold laser, and then we've got the cracked glass hollow ones. These are like disco balls, aren't they? And then we've just got your plain kind of gold, silver, copper. I should use foils more often. I always forget I've got them. Right, everything else now is gels. So let me clear my desk off and we'll see what gels we got this month. Right, so we've got 4 of the solid gels and we've got 3 gel polishes. So I'm not going to swatch this one because I've already got it. This is number 37 and it's ruby red. And that's what colour this is. It's a perfect ruby red, isn't it? I like it. So we will swatch these other three. So we've got number 41, Cowboy Blue. Number 54, Pink Marshmallow. We've got number 17, Caramel. So I'm just going to give these a quick swatch. I'll probably just put some music on. Guys, before I show you these colours swatched, I missed something out the box. We've got a tip display stand. I'm pretty sure I got one of these off Varnail when they first came about. Yeah, so these are metal. These are really good ones. And then this is like a cow print, isn't it? So these are really good if you make press-ons or just to practice your nail art. I don't use these as often as I used to. I used to use these in most videos. I used to do a lot of designs on tips, but it's very rare I'll do gel polish designs these days, but they do come in handy. I love that these are metal as well. The plastic ones don't last 2 minutes. That's rather cute. I like that. So there we go, guys. That's the 4 solid colours out of this box. I like this. What was this one called? Pink Marshmallow. It's got a little bit of a transparency to it. I do like that. These are all 1 coat. Obviously, with these kind of solid gels, you should always do 2 thin coats. Because they are quite like pigmented. You don't want them to wrinkle. But these 3 are definitely kind of autumn, fall, this kind of year colours, aren't they? And then we've got this slightly transparent milky one. I have put that on a bit wappy, but it's nice. I like these 2. They're nice. Right, so just stick these away. See what other gels we got. So we've got 3 other gels. So we've got a cat eye and one of their regular gel polishes. Back to Nature, and the cat eye is called Knight in Armour. I'm going to give them a swatch anyway. But we've got one of their brand new HEMA free, TPO free and HPMA free pumpkin patch. These are so cool, guys. Look what they come with. So it's got this little cutout bit there, and it comes with a little swatch stick type thing that with a sticky dot, and you stick it, do your own swatch and stick it on the bottle like that. I think that's so cool. So shall we do this one first? I'm going to get this out. Just get one of these out for now, just so I can do this swatch stick properly. Let me just get rid of this little, it's got a little notchy bit there that's going to really bug me. Just going to get rid of that. So I'm just going to stick this little swatchy thing on there, and then we're going to paint it. So this is called Pumpkins Patch. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, we've got them kind of rounded off, really soft bristled brushes as well. Oh, this looks nice. So I'm just going to paint this. Oh wow, this is jam-packed full of shimmer. I've hardly got anything on my brush as well. Oh, that's pretty. So I'm going to stick that in a lamp and possibly give it a second coat. Does it even need a second coat? It's a perfect colour, pumpkin patch. Very pretty. So I'm just going to stick that in a lamp. Right, and whilst that one's in the lamp, keep hold of that sticky dot. Whilst that one's in the lamp, we'll do this one. Back to Nature. This is one of their regular gels. Even their regular gels have got those rounded, soft bristled brushes. If anybody's looking for just nice quality gels, then Varnail have got a fantastic collection, and they're really, really good quality. I love these brushes. They're so nice to use. They're so soft. So that's like a corky green, isn't it? It's like that perfect kind of corky green. Okay, and lastly for the gels, we've got Knight in Armour, which is CEM06. Let's have a look at this. Oh wow, look how smooth this looks. This looks nice. So I'm just going to do it on a clear stick. Look at that, by itself. It's just a beautiful colour, isn't it? So let's see what it says with the magnet. Oh, it's one of them. Oh, this is pretty. Oh wow, that is beautiful. I do like these. If I have to wear a cat eye, these are the kind of ones that I like. They're just mesmerising, aren't they? Look at this. This magnet from Varnail as well is a good one. Wow. So I'm just going to top coat this little swatch stick now. This little swatch pop. Look at this. This is such a pretty colour. That's beautiful. This would be really good for bonfire night as well. Just going to top coat it and then we can get it stuck on the bottle. Right, I think we peel that part off. Stick that onto there like that. And then there should be another bit that peels off. Get some tweezers, that might help. Right, and so this just sticks in there. I think they're so cool. They would look so smart lined up across a shelf, wouldn't they? I love that. Never seen that before. I've seen a lot of bottles that come with swatch sticks that you can stick on and stuff. But I don't think I've seen an actual cutout incorporated into the bottle for them. I love that. I think that's so cool. And the HEMA free. So cool. Well impressed with that. So there we go guys. That's all the colours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 colours in the November box. That was the last 2 that I've just swatched. That's the regular gel. And then that was the cat eye. That cat eye's beautiful. Very pretty. And then the 4 solid gels that you've already seen. So obviously I've not swatched that one. I think I'm still going to have to swatch it just for my reference, because when I'm looking for colours in all my swatch sticks, I'm not going to come across this one because it's going to be on the bottle. So I think I will swatch it just for my reference. But yeah, I love this. Such a pretty colour. Very pretty. So quick recap on everything else that came in the box this month. So we got the brush. Oh, these little glitters. They were cute. Not seen them before. The foils, all the flocking powders, the stickers, and all the little charmy bits. The ring. Cute box. Bit of a mixed box this month. It is that time of year where not quite sure what to do. Definitely a funny time of year, isn't it? Anyway guys, that is it for today. I just want to say as well guys, firstly, for those of you that might not have seen the post or might not know that my mum recently passed away, so that's where I've been just healing, processing everything. But I just wanted to thank everybody for your comments and your messages. I have read every single one of them. Yeah, and I just wanted to say thanks. I really appreciate it. But anyway guys, that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.